Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Golden Future Oracle by Diana Cooper with artwork by Space Before. It's a 44 card deck and guidebook. This is published by Hay House. Thank you so much to Hay House for sending this my way via the Card Deck Club. And this retails for $24.99 in the US and $33.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase it should you want to. All right, so let's get into it. We are moving towards a new golden age, a time of peace, harmony, and abundance, when everyone cooperates for the highest good. The Golden Future Oracle offers guidance to help you negotiate our current turbulent times, as well as preparing you for the cosmic energies that will shift the planet to a higher frequency. So I have a couple Diana Cooper decks oracles that I've enjoyed, so I'm excited about this one. On the inside cover here, we have great beams of light. Please guide my way so that my golden future starts today. All right. The blank bottom there. Oh, cute. All right, so before we get into the cards, I just want to take a peek at the guidebook to see if there's any important information we have to know before utilizing this deck. We do have a table of contents. We have an introduction, how to use, and then we have the interpretations of the cards, which is nice that they're all their own page numbers. I love that. So this seems like it's the same as the back. What is a golden age? A golden age is when every person, animal, tree, plant, and the land itself radiates a golden aura. Gold is the color of love and wisdom, so a golden age is a time of peace, harmony, and abundance when everyone cooperates for the highest good. Okay. Here's the time frame for the arrival of the golden future. That's interesting. So it goes all the way to 2050 there. Fifth dimensional consciousness, fifth dimensional chakras, and then we have a chart here. And then how to use. Perfect. This deck offers guidance, reassurance, and tools to help you now, as well as information on what lies ahead and inspiration to help you focus on the beautiful future that awaits us. It will also help you to connect with spiritual beings who are overseeing aspects of our golden future and will give you tools to help co-create the new golden age. In 2032, cosmic energies will shift the planet to a higher frequency, and this deck will enable you to be prepared. The cards will take you on a step-by-step journey to integrate the light of the magical times ahead. Then we have how to keep, how to prepare space for the reading, and then how to read the cards. So we have a single card, 3-card reading, and then other ways to use the cards. Traditional readings, co-creating the golden future, visualization, seek guidance, focus on ascension, meditation. Awesome. Okay, so lots of different ways. And then we have the cards. So let's get into it because this is quite interesting. So here's the back. It's got a gloss to it. Okay, not bad. It is the Hay House cardstock, but it's flexible. Since it's gloss, it's got a little bit more snap. I like it. Okay, I like the size too. It's your Hay House Oracle size. All right, look at that art. Wow. Very vivid, but it doesn't, strain your eyes too much. And it looks like this is going to be the type of deck where every time you use it, there's something different that you see from the time before. So we have a number, the title, and then a little blurb about it. I'll read it just because it does seem to be a little tiny on the screen, and sometimes it's hard to read the font. So this says the population and seize your opportunities. Community life, embrace fifth dimensional society. Wow. The new children, be all you can be. Oh my gosh, adorable. Love the hummingbirds. Family relationships, attune heart to heart. This is really cool art. Education, expand your right brain creativity. Leisure and sport, participate and have fun. I'm loving the grid in the sky here. Oh, and grid below too. Creativity, express your soul energy. Yeah, you definitely will be picking up on different things each time you use this deck. Music, bring yourself into divine harmony. How many of you know how to play a musical instrument? Let me know in the comments. I play flute. Played being the operative word there. Homes, live in an ecological, creative, and fun space. That's really cute. This reminds me of Biodome. If you know, you know. Food, choose locally grown organic produce. Yeah, we're trying to grow our own food this year. Hopefully it works. It's just been so hot in our area during the spring and summer. Communal markets, trust that all you need will come to you. Love that. Clothing, let your outer express your inner. Work satisfaction, seek that which fulfills your soul. Health and healing, tune into your divine blueprint. I'm very intrigued for the guidebook. I think it's going to be very interesting information. Travel, find ecological ways to explore the world. Psychic gifts, learn to trust your intuition. Teleportation and levitation, expand your gifts and powers. Manifestation and mind control, focus your thoughts. Look at these little guys. Oh, I love the dolphins. Sexuality, express pure love. Robots, set yourself free with wisdom. He's so cute. I wasn't expecting robots to be in this deck. The economy, trust your needs will be met. The law, act with common sense and responsibility. Nature, tune into the natural world. Our beautiful planet, restore the natural world. Little fairies. Animals, honor the animal kingdom. The waters of the planet, bless the rains, rivers, and oceans. The 12 chakras, follow your ascension path. Angels, ask the angels. Dragons, send dragons to heal the world. Look at that. Amazing. Unicorns, spread the light of unicorns. Illumined masters, be a spreader of love. Leadership and decisions, make choices for the highest good of all. It's like a heart there. Blueprint for 5D humanity, remember your gifts and powers. Jump shift your life, tune into crystals. Planetary cleansing, keep your space pure and clear. Golden stellar internet, communicate in a 5th dimensional way. That's intriguing. Intergalactic travel, regard the stars with wonder. Free energy, be a powerhouse. Crystalline light body, build your crystalline Merkaba. The golden cities live ecologically and harmoniously. The super love portal, accept yourself as a cosmic being. World peace and cooperation, choose harmlessness and teamwork. Spiritual technology, expand your imagination and share your vision. And group consciousness, embrace oneness. Wow. Okay, well, let's see how it shuffles. Not bad. Yeah. It does have that gloss, so there's a little bit of that resistance that comes with having a gloss. But nothing bad. Yeah, slip still's just fine. Okay, can I get a card to read, please? Okay. The super love portal. Accept yourself as a cosmic being. All right. The entire universe is ascending, and by 2032, the heart center of Earth will have connected to the heart centers of all the planets. They will all communicate, exchanging love and information. When this happens, a surge of higher love will flow around the entire cosmos, and this will profoundly affect everyone on our planet. This will activate a special high-frequency portal in the mountains of China. This awesome portal holds pure white source love, which will pour out and bathe us all in wondrous divine love, such as we have never before experienced. It will massively impact every one of us. When heart centers connect, a great flow of love is generated. Guidance. Choosing this cosmic card suggests that you are a being of the universe who has incarnated specifically to help our planet ascend. You are invited to invoke the great pure white archangel, Butyali, who oversees the flow of cosmos and ensures that everything moves in harmony and according to divine timing. Ask him to hold you in a vortex of his shimmering white light. State your intention to help Earth's heart to connect to the heart centers of all the planets in this universe, known and unknown. Focus on your heart chakra and sense it open and expand until a ray of white light streams from it. Visualize the light from your heart beaming out to all the planets. When you have finished, pause for a moment, then breathe in the glorious love held in the center of the planets. Absolutely know that you are blessed as a cosmic being. Your participation will trigger your own higher heart chakra to expand and will help open the super love portal in China. Okay, very interesting. I don't know if this is going to be a deck for everyone because this has a lot of different concepts in it. But I think it's really fascinating. I love the message behind this is to elevate our consciousness and connect with each other in a more community-based way, which is very important, especially in the climate that we are at right now. I think that this is definitely something that can benefit a lot of people. The art is absolutely cool and very stunning. It's trippy, but in the best of ways. And I could see how this can be a very healing deck for a lot of people. I really don't have anything negative to say about it. I think that, again, if you're drawn to this deck, then you will absolutely love it. If not every deck is for everybody, right? But I think this is absolutely something that I need to dive deeper into and look at because I love the concept. I think that it's a very important concept. I think there's something in this for the people who are connected to it. So with that being said, thank you so much to Hay House. I'm not even mad at the price either. I think that's a fantastic price. I would now love to know what you guys think. Those of you who have this deck, those of you who have gotten it through the Card Deck Club, what are your thoughts? What have you noticed when you started utilizing it? Is this something that you've enjoyed? Has it opened up more of a meditation practice for you? What are your thoughts? Let me know. And I would love to hear from you guys. And those who have not purchased this, is this something that you're excited about? Or is this a pass for you? Let me know all your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.